Hey everybody, I am super excited to give you this cool demo of our super useful AI powered chatbot. This chatbot can answer questions about your business, help you book appointments, help you sell your products, and I am so excited to show you more and give you a little demonstration on how it works. So I have my little icon here. I call him Roary. It's got this customized message here. You can change this to be whatever you want it to be. You can change your icon. You don't even need to use an icon if you want. You can just use a chat bubble or whatever. It's totally customizable. We can even customize his personality in the way that he answers questions, he or she, whichever you prefer. But yeah, you just click on this and look, right away it says, "Hi, how can I help you?" I can say something like, "Who owns this business?" And best of all, I mean, he replies pretty quick, gives accurate information based on how we train the bot. Like there, it obviously gave accurate information saying that the lion design is owned by me, Kevin Hansen. I can ask it, what services do you provide? You know, these are questions that your customers are going to be asking. So let's see. And you'll see again, he responds pretty quickly and accurately. Here, he's going to list some of our main services like landing pages, website design, domain services, website and email hosting. And then not only does he list the services, but he provides a description of each services. And then here he provides a booking link, and you can just click there to book on it. Watch. So he said, and it even says, if you'd like to discuss your specific requirements or have any questions, feel free to book a call or a Zoom meeting with us. Here is the link to our calendar booking page, and they click here. And this, of course, can go to whatever booking link you want, whether it's Acuity, Calendly, Setmore, or like me, I use a Google booking page. So, I mean, it's very useful, right? So, I mean, he just went over all my services because I asked him, what services do you provide? And he listed the services and then basically said, hey, if you got any other questions or want to talk to us, you can click here to book a call. And that I can say something like, tell me more about your SEO service. And here he's going into detail about what we do for SEO. And what I would encourage you to keep in mind is what services your business provides. And here he is going through and listing all the stuff we do for SEO and in detail describing each part of the service. You know, I mean, he's listing everything out here, which is super cool. And think about how much time this will save you when it comes to customer service calls or, you know, pre-sales calls where people are just getting information about the service you provide. And here again, he provides a booking link to get you in touch with us again. And that's where I've trained him to go. I always want him to basically finish, you know, whatever he's doing with book a call. And my calendar has booked up like crazy. I mean, Rory is working real well. Now, let's say I want to buy a service, right? So I can just say, I'd like to get started on a website. And here he's going through and giving information here. And look, he's even instructing them what to do. I'll show you here in a second. I'm not going to interrupt Rory here, but so it says, that's great to hear. Our website design service is a fantastic choice to establish a strong online presence for your business. To get started, please visit our website design page at, and provides a link for more information about our services. Once you've reviewed the details on the page, you can proceed to click the Get Started button. Here's the magic. Watch. I click the website link that Rory provided me, takes me right to my website design services page, and it's still here, and it's telling me, hey, once you've reviewed the details on the page, you can proceed to click the Get Started button to provide us with some basic information about your project. This will allow you to understand your project requirements and discuss the project further. And right here is the get started button. So he instructed me as a potential customer on what to click. It's super cool because he's contextual. He remembers what you talked about. He knows where you're at on the website. It's very, very cool. And it's also, like I said, very customizable. You can set his tone, you can set the personality, basically be in control of every detail. And the nice thing is it never gets it wrong because I train it on the data for your business. And believe me, like I said, this bot has made 3 sales for me that I didn't even have to contact prior to the sale. They were already customers by the time they booked a call with me. Also, my calendar has been filling up like crazy from people using the chatbot in a way that gets them connected with me, because you and I both know nobody can sell your services like you can. And this bot will definitely help your business out. Also, one thing I'd like to point out too before we're done here is this little microphone guy. So if you have a microphone on your computer, or if someone's visiting your website from their phone, they don't even need to type here. They can just click the microphone and talk to it with their voice. So again, it's super cool, super advanced, and I'm excited to see where this goes.